This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Here is an announcement. As the number of COVID-19 cases are rising fast in several parts of the country, we appeal to our listeners to be vigilant and to get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, get vaccinated. As the new Omicron variant of coronavirus is causing concern, please continue to follow the 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075. The Meghalaya helpline number for COVID-19 is 108 and 1070. And now, the news in detail. The Election Commission has banned conducting and publishing exit polls between 10th of February and 7th of March. The decision has been taken in view of the upcoming assembly elections in 5 states of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Goa, Manipur and Uttarakhand. In its order, the Commission said during 7 a.m. on 10th February to 6:30 p.m. on 7th of March, the conducting of any exit poll and publishing or publicizing by means of the print or electronic media shall be prohibited. Election Commission said any person who violates the order will be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2-year jail or fine or both. A joint meeting of the Executive Committee, Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, India Region Zone 3 and Executive Council of the Northeast Region Institute of Parliamentary Studies and Research, NERIPSTA, was held at Shillong yesterday. Addressing media persons, Meghalaya Speaker Badaplin War said the meeting was to finalize the date of the CPA India Region Zone 3 conference of all the northeastern states. Lindor said that the subjects and agenda of the next CPA conference, which will be held in Itanagar, was shared during the meeting. It was also decided that all the speakers of the northeastern states will propose issues concerning the interest of the people of the region before February 15, which will be discussed and addressed in the conference. Meghalaya Governor Satya Malik yesterday administered oath to Bhalang Dhar, retired IAS, as newly appointed Chairperson of Lokayukta, Meghalaya, at Raj Bhavan. Dhar's appointment comes 8 months after former Lokayukta P.K. Mushahari's tenure ended on May 31 last year. Meghalaya Urban Affairs Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar is likely to convene another meeting with the autonomous district councils to discuss the ongoing conflict with regard to granting of building permission in areas outside the jurisdiction of the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority. A final decision will be taken on this matter in the next round of meeting. Padma Shri awardee and Associate Professor of Khasi Department, NEHU, Prof Badaplin War, has said support of the members of Parliament is essential for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. Treasurer of the Khasi Authors Society, Professor War, said that many are fighting for the inclusion of their respective languages in the 8th schedule and the centre has to consider all the requests. She added that the Khasi language is at par or even better than some of the languages which have earned national recognition. The Khasi language has a long history and it was introduced as one of the subjects in Calcutta University way back in 1819. The subject is being learnt up to PhD level after NEHU came into existence. She said that the state government should strategize on how to pursue this matter with the centre. A day after the IED blast in Police Bazaar in Shillong, East Khasi Hills District Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongtinger in a statement yesterday said that police apprehended and detained one person for necessary interrogation. During the course of interrogation, the person admitted his involvement and claimed himself to be the area commander of Shillong region of the banned NEHU National Liberation Council. On his leading, a live bomb was also recovered from the residence of his relatives, which was safely defused. The State Home Minister Lakshman Rimboy said that all efforts have been taken to pinpoint and apprehend the mastermind of the blast. And with that, we're in the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.